Therapeutix is a revolutionary bodywork therapy combining yoga, deep tissue massage, and total body alignment all in one. Start with the silver air-filled sphere. Place it on your sternum. 3 different points, one at the lower, the middle, and the upper part of the chest. Lie down, face down, placing the sphere on the sternum above the xiphoid process. It should be on bone. Place your arms out to the sides. If this is too much, bend the elbows and place the palms on the ground to take some pressure off. Inhale. Exhale, let your body sink into the sphere. Move the ball up. Inhale. Exhale. Let the body sink into the sphere. Take your time. Relax. Release. With each exhale, you will feel opening in the back of the spine, around the ribs, and at the front of the chest. Take your time. Release the ball and place it to the side. Sit back into hero pose, taking 3 deep breaths and feeling the openness and expansion from the front of your body to the sides of your body to the back space of your ribs. Roll the shoulders back. Thank you so much. Let your chest be open and free.